It's on there, guys. That was so easy. Y'all, listen. No shade to the glue. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Geminii Talks. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, I appreciate you guys. Welcome back. Alright guys, so in today's video, I will be doing a review on these lashes called Viciley Magnetic Lashes. I think it's called Viciley. I just want to make sure I'm pronouncing it right, but it's spelled V-I-C-I-L-E-Y. You can see it right here. And I'm so excited. I had this company hit me up, wanted me to try these out. I did a review on their other lashes. They're called the Magic Lashes. If you haven't seen those yet, make sure that you click up here so that you can check it out. I love those lashes. They were so easy, and I love the magic eyeliner that they gave you to put on. So I love those. So we're gonna try these out and see if I like these as well. Now, this will be my first time trying magnetic lashes. I'm so excited. It's invisible magnetic, so we're gonna be trying it out and see if I like it or not. I'm always honest, guys, so this is definitely an honest review. All right guys, so let's get started. So we just unboxed the lashes. Now it comes with 6 pairs of lashes. It comes with 2 things of eyeliners, tweezers, and Q-tip. Okay guys, so let's get started. Now these are the directions. It comes in this little booklet right here, and they also have directions on the back just in case if you don't see it. So alright, so first off, they said double eyeliner for more purposes. So these are the double eyeliners. It says, okay, the lash kit contains 2 eyeliners, a traditional tube, which is this one, and it also have the pin-like eyeliner, which is this one. It says the traditional tube shaded eyeliner can better ensure that the eyeliner does not dry. The pin-like eyeliner is used to depict finer eyeliner details. The 2 complements each other. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, you got to shake this one like I did in the last one. Okay, so gently shake the eyeliner. Oh, I think I did it a little too hard, but it says gently shake the eyeliner before use. Okay, and then they said to press down like I did in my last video for the magic eyeliner. You press it down. Okay, just press the button on the top of the pen until it clicks. Okay, so that's what we just did. Then make sure that the bottom is completely pressed down. Yep, it is. Put my pen down. We're gonna wait 10 minutes, guys, and I'll be back after that. All right, guys, so I'm back. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's see if the pen is ready, or the eyeliner is ready. And it is. When it turned black like this at the bottom, that means that it's ready. Okay guys, so it has to turn black. Alright, so next it says that we have to use the 2 shaded eyeliner, and it says to apply. Okay, so I gotta apply this one. Let's get started. Now they said not to make it too thin, so that's what I'm trying not to do, guys. I guess it helps it to stick more. So yeah. Now it says wait for 30 seconds to a minute for it to dry, so that's what we're gonna do. Let me get my tweezers and my eyelashes ready. Now guys, I still don't really know how to use tweezers yet. I tried it in the other video and I did pretty good, but let's see if I do good again. Okay, Hold on. All right, guys, so it's been 30 seconds. We're gonna apply the lash. Look how easy this is, guys. Crazy. Wow. It's on there, guys. That was so easy. That was so easy. Y'all, listen. No shade to the glue. Don't get me wrong. I love the glue lashes as well. But this is so easy. I literally just, it took me 2 seconds to put this on there. Usually with the glue, I'm not gonna lie, it be everywhere. Like it be sliding off. You gotta wait till it dry even more, then it slides again. This is crazy. Wow. How easy is that? Okay, so the next thing you have to do, you get your pen eyeliner, and then you just put it across to make it look like you got, you know, a little bit of something on top to give it that extraness. Guys, wow, look at this. Guys, look how easy. This is to make the eyelash stand out more. I love putting like mascara or eyeliner on my eyes because it gives it that extra, you know, to bring out your eyes and lashes. So I love it, guys. It's so easy. They gave you this Q-tip as well, to make sure that, like, you know, if you make a mess or if it get messy, that you can just fix it a little bit. So I'm gonna do that too towards the end. But guys, I'm gonna do the second lash. I'm not gonna go into it and talk. I'm just gonna do it and you guys want to see it done. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so there you have it. Look at these lashes. I love them. I love them. And they were so easy to do, guys. Literally. Very easy. And the one thing I like about this pair of the Viciley magnetic ones is that it didn't take so long for the eyeliner to get down to the bottom. Because with the magic lashes, I love those too. They were very easy. It was just, it took so long to get to the bottom. It took an extra like 10 minutes. With this one, it came down really, really fast. So guys, I recommend these lashes. I love them. I even love the style of the lashes. I love the length. It's really easy. I really love them. If you guys want to, you know, get these, make sure you check out Viciley. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but you know how it's spelled. Magnetic lashes. I'm on Amazon because, guys, I love them. I love them, guys. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. you know, leave a comment if you like the lashes as well, or do you have these? What is your experience with them? Because guys, I love them so far. I can't even complain. It's really, really easy. But yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, guys. You know, and also, I don't know if you guys heard about this new app called Clubhouse, but if you have, make sure you follow me on there, Latiesha, Latiesha Streeter. And you know, if we're cool enough, I might send you an invite, okay? But let's follow each other, because I want to start making, you know, groups out there for YouTubers, so we can all network, talk about our experiences, talk about how we can grow. Clubhouse is it, guys. I love it so far, and we definitely need to, you know, connect. So make sure you follow me on there. All right, guys, stay tuned for another video.